Water damage in a home can be catastrophic, resulting in mold, waste, high repair bills, and the loss of personal belongings. Alarm.com's water management solutions keep you updated about leaks, conserve water, and prevent flooding and costly water damage. With water sensors, you can be alerted if there are leaks anywhere in the house from the attic to the basement. The Smart Water Valve Plus meter is our premium whole home water management solution. By detecting extremely low water flow to identify small leaks, it's the ultimate safeguard against water damage. Affordable and easy to install, the award-winning Water Dragon is the perfect, no plumber needed solution. Detect small leaks before they become major issues. Both the Smart Water Valve Plus meter and the Water Dragon even monitor your daily, weekly, and monthly water usage to help conserve water. All of our water solutions are easily monitored and managed from the app or website. It's easier than ever to safeguard your property from costly water damage with a cost-effective smart leak detection solution.